Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Amazon, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, can you use Cash App on Amazon? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use Cash App on Amazon? Well, that's a pretty easy question to answer. Amazon's a convenient service to buy things, and then Cash App is pretty convenient. You might have money there sent from other family or friends. But can you use it on Amazon as a payment method? That's what we're going to talk about. So I'm going to open my Amazon app. It's this white app with a blue shopping cart. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. I'm going to go ahead and open the Amazon app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Amazon app, and this is the home screen, and here on the home screen you're going to see various specials that Amazon's running. But can you use Cash App on Amazon? Well, the short answer is no. You can't use the Cash App on Amazon as a payment method, but there are ways around that. So a lot of people want to use Cash App on Amazon like you would use PayPal on other websites. So basically, you would go through the payment process and then connect your PayPal, and then PayPal accepts a payment. But unfortunately, at the time of the recording of this video, Cash App doesn't work that way with Amazon, or actually with most websites. The only way that I'm aware of using Cash App on Amazon is going to be through your Cash App Cash Card. So this is a debit Visa card that connects directly to your Cash App account. So if you have money on your Cash App, you can just spend it right off your Cash App Cash Card. So that's a little bit different than using directly Cash App on Amazon, but the money still pulls from the same place. And if you don't have one of these cards, go back and watch my other video that describes how to order a Cash App Cash Card in detail. Once you've ordered one of these, then yes, you will be able to use your Cash App balance on Amazon as a payment method. And a quick rundown on that is basically you just want to click right here on the top left, these three horizontal lines. I'm going to click there now. Okay, once you click there, then you're going to see this screen. And if you want to add your Cash App Cash Card into Amazon as a payment method, click right here on your account. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, you want to scroll down until you get to this section called Payments, and there's a line right here called Your Payments. I'm going to click there now. Okay, once you click there, then this screen's going to pop up, and then you can go ahead and click on this line right here called Add a Payment Method. Once you do that, Amazon is going to prompt you to add your Cash App Cash Card information as a payment method. Once you've done that, then you will be able to use your Cash App Cash Card on Amazon to make your purchases. Another thing people have been asking is when they use their Cash App Cash Card, they don't see the money come out immediately. That's okay, that's no problem, because Amazon doesn't usually withdraw from your payment methods until the item has shipped or it's shipping. So when you immediately enter the information, it's not going to deduct however much you have purchased. So there you go, that's some information on if you can use Cash App on Amazon as a payment method. If you have a different experience than I do, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.